up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So right now we're about to go check out a car from our bro. Nigga's gonna buy another car. You already know. You guys, when we're at the car, so you guys can check it out. You already know. Yo, guys, so we're currently fucking here at Fuddruckers, whatever the fuck you say. Sorry.
They let you cuss on it?
But are you gonna drive it?
And oh yeah, so this is my bro. He's gonna buy it. If he likes it, he doesn't know how to drive stick. We're gonna show him.
No, bitch, we don't want to look at you.
We're waiting for him. He currently went to the store. He probably went to go buy some fucking condoms or something, you know? Because his girl's gonna be so happy. He's gonna have 5 racks in his pocket. Nah, just kidding, guys. Just waiting for him. Look, the car's pulling up. Put my window down.
Okay.
Car pulling up. I don't know if y'all can see it. It has bags, right? What are they called? It has airbag suspensions. You already know. Look at it. Damn, Tom parked right here next to us.
Looks like he has. He's Filipino, babe.
I think my motherfucking brother found this nigga on offer. He don't want to tell me the truth. But look at the whippy. What's up, bro?
How you doing, bro? Yeah, good. This is it, alright?
Yep, Christian. Nice to meet you guys.
Al.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, so this is it. If you guys want, I could air up and down for you too, so you can check
Yeah,
it
can you
out.
do it for the vlog?
Oh, yeah. We roll up the window so I don't come out. Alright?
Alright. Look at that. Bam! Oh, it rubs, bro. You can hear it rub.
Yeah, but I couldn't roll it out more.
It rubs when you're driving?
No, because you could air up. So,
Yeah,
so basically what...
So it's not meant to drive that low.
Exactly. If
Oh,
you drove it like this, it would mess up the car, but you never drive it that low.
Our car's low, so it rubs every time we have people in it.
Yeah, so
Car's
they have
badass.
coilovers, right? Yeah, so this one, imagine if the coilovers had like a balloon that inflates.
Badass.
Everything.
What year is it?
2005. There you go. So this model is actually really rare. 6-speed manual sedan.
6-speed?
Yeah. So
Ooh.
yeah. So it's manual, and it doesn't have a sunroof, which is actually really rare.
Yeah, I just noticed that.
Yeah. So, but yeah, if you guys want, we could go on a ride and stuff like that. You guys can test drive it or whatever.
Let me put my windows up.
With my with how I like my cars, I like the fitment super tight. So like the fender to lip look like that.
Yeah.
I like that. But there's small spacers right here. If you guys take that off, you could probably tuck the wheel inside the fender. You might have to pull it a little bit more, but
It's
I have
pretty.
the
Did you just paint
fender
it?
rolling thing.
So, oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
My buddy got it painted before I bought it from my friend, and then I did a couple things to it. But he got it painted, and the guy that painted it for him didn't do the best job, like primering the front bumper and stuff like that. That's why it's peeling.
Yeah, but that's an easy fix.
Yeah, if I was gonna keep it, I was probably gonna end up wrapping it.
Yeah, that's better.
But yeah, I mean, this is it.
Yeah, right. That one on Lily.
It's pretty clean.
Alright, here. You ready, bro?
Record.
Yeah, ready?
Record me. Wait, he's gonna show us how to lift it first.
Yeah, so the switches are just right in here.
Oh, okay.
You got your front switch, and you got your back switch. The front, I usually keep a little over 75, probably about 80, and the back I keep at about 60. So you just hit these switches. The yellow one's the front one. So you want the yellow one a little above 75, maybe like right there. Back one's right there.
To the right, right?
Yeah, and that's how I drive it. I mean, you guys could look at it and kind of see.
Yeah, that's about what you
Take
want.
a picture of it.
That's about what you want, bro.
If you have people in the back, you want to lift it even more just so it doesn't rumble.
Well, it's gonna be his. If he learns how to drive, it's gonna be his work car. So.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, because I use that car for my kids.
Got
You're
you
going?
it. I done a little bit, but you know, for the most part, it's a solid car.
So we have to lift him more then. This is gonna go. No, because he said you're gonna have people in the back, dude.
Haz pa' frente tu.
You are kind of chubby.
Oh, yeah, just like you. trying to lose weight over here.
Right there? Well,
Yeah, I'd probably drive it with people in the back, maybe about right there.
What is that on?
Okay,
like 65?
Yeah, almost
70,
almost 70
yeah.
on the rear.
Yeah.
Probably something like that. Yeah. You know how to drive stick?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, cool.
I would hope so.
He's gonna leave his car.
Driving a Prelude for so long.
Yeah, you can go left right here. This double din's awesome because I don't recommend watching YouTube while you're driving, but you can connect this to your hotspot. You can watch YouTube videos, Bluetooth. You can go on the web.
That's badass. It's like your car.
So you have to connect to Wi-Fi?
Well, yeah,
Hotspot.
If
Hotspot.
yeah, if you want to use like the internet and stuff, but if not, you can just Bluetooth off your phone. What kind of music do you guys listen to?
Corridos. No, you can listen to.
You put it there.
It's something that doesn't have a system right here.
Hey.
It sounds pretty good too.
Yeah, it is. Better than our Honda.
And you put fucking speakers and
Las calles ya me miraron pasar. Mis muchachos del cuidado me traerán.
it's nice.
Just like the bass and the treble.
El equipo siempre listo pa' chambear. Vivo al día, no me voy a preocupar. Si mi Dios se va a reclamar. Aquí estoy para las cuentas saldar.
No, it sounds
Go
good.
out.
Me gusta la banda, me gusta el hombre, yo bailar las
I don't know. Me personally, if I was buying it, I would have took it already.
Yeah, but we had to test drive it.
Yeah, you want to make sure it drives good and all that good stuff.
Oh, yeah. The girls like hella staring at the car.
Okay. Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
she did.
Oh, yeah, Chon, you're gonna get
You'll
You're
get a lot of
stupid.
looks.
I'm married.
No, I started to learn
She's
clutch,
probably
but
gonna
I
try to
haven't,
race you, bro.
fully,
Just a
like,
Lexus, bro.
my dad
automatic.
started showing me, so
They're nice.
I have
See,
the
like,
feel, but I don't
All
know
you gotta do is
completely.
feel when it starts getting the speed. Look. See like that? See like that? That was too late. You gotta. I don't know. You'll learn.
You're gonna feel it when you drive.
I think the only thing I don't get is when you're stopping, how to fucking.
Just put it in neutral and brake.
Told you, fool.
Think she went
She's
to
gonna
race.
try to race
Go,
you.
Varo.
Let her get her little time.
This car for sure would pull on that.
There's so many cars right now, bro. I would've gassed it.
Especially if there's no one else in the car, like no extra weight.
It does fast.
Really fast.
I like it, baby.
See me in my Prelude, I would've. Shit, sorry.
It's like, you better buy that shit now.
Especially because it was so little, so it could fit anywhere.
You're fucking up his windows already.
One thing you do have to keep an eye on, the gas meter. It'll stop around like halfway for some reason. So when it gets to about half, I'll just top it off.
Chihuahua.
7. Just don't crash now. Wait till we get the car.
Yeah, what the hell?
He just wanted to show up with the girl.
You turn or turn right, then whatever, and then go back down and hop back on the freeway.
You're scaring him. Stop it.
Yeah, this guy drives crazy.
I used to do like not in this car, but in my older cars, I used to do like a lot of drifting and stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm really scared too easy.
I didn't see her go by.
Dude, the AC hella works good.
Yeah, it's especially when it's
I know
hot,
it's
like
cold
been.
as fuck. Mine does not work as fast as how yours did right now.
Bro, you're not recording?
It gets
Yeah, he's recording.
She's badass. Bueno carro.
You have to
Damn, I
delete.
thought that was the highest
Hey.
already.
Get it, baby.
You can pop the truck too.
Okay, wait.
Or I'll pop the truck for you.
You want?
It doesn't lock by itself, right?
Yeah, I'll just pull the keys out just in case.
Yeah.
I don't think it locks by itself though. Unlock it.
Este es este, ¿verdad?
It's pretty good, pero it's better if you change it. I'll show you.
Sí, güey. ¿Sí está bien, güey? Sí, ¿verdad?
Yeah. And then you said it just got the oil done and everything, right? The oil
Yeah,
change?
you could pull the dipstick. It's the oil's clean. I literally just got the oil change.
Ooh, I know y'all hear that, boy. I know y'all hear that. Why do you have it sideways, ho?
See, you gotta be a. I'm not a photographer.
Boo! I know y'all like that shit, guys. So the deal was sealed. We took the car. It's right here for y'all. G35 2005. It has airbags just so your motherfuckers could put it in the motherfucking box. Yes, it does have the airbags. Bags, just so y'all know. Pretty clean. Whew. Y'all know what's up. Congrats, bro. You got yourself a car you won't know how to drive for a week.
Hey.
Woo.
Well, I can't.
This is my bro's other car.
You're gonna teach me right now?
You're gonna drive it home by yourself.
No mames.
Yes.
Allá me enseña.
Rev it. Woo. Woo. Just got back home, guys. Woo. Okay, you're getting pulled over. Damn.